Here we go, it's Joel Traveling Nuke here, and a very good day from the Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. Now, today we're in this little Robin Cat 10 plane, I believe. It's kind of like an aerobatic plane, it can kind of do what it wants. It's pretty much got no, limits really, so we're going to be taking this for a spin around New York on the Grand LaGuardia. Literally just going to take off, make a right turn kind of over to New York. And before I get into this video, if you watch my streams, you will know that I recently purchased a brand new computer from a brilliant company called PC Specialist, not sponsored, but link in the description if you're interested in getting a custom built PC delivered to your door. And I've got a Intel Core i9 with 32GB of Corsair RAM and a Nvidia Geforce RTX 3080. So these games, like Microsoft Flight Simulator and X-Plane, are in top-notch quality, and there shouldn't be half as much, if not no lag, as there was before when we used to do these videos on my old PC with a 1650. So pretty much in this aircraft, there's not really like a GPS as you know in other general aviation aircraft. You only got this pathetic little thing. So what we've done is I've gone onto the VFR map in the menu, and I've planned ourselves a little route, right? Okay, so we're going to depart out of New York LaGuardia, head down here, and literally just go into New York. We're going to go through the Empire State Building, we're going to go to the Brooklyn Bridge, fly over that, Governor's Island, Statue of Liberty, and then we're going to literally just fly towards JFK. So LaGuardia to JFK via New York City. That's literally what we're doing. So I really do hope you guys do enjoy, and I will commentate the whole way. We'll do some tricks around some buildings. I've got all the overstress things turned off, all the crash animations turned off. So it should be really fun. And this is the first ever thing I'm doing on ultra settings at around 50 to 60 FPS. So it's pretty intense, guys, and it should be a beautiful video for you all. So without further ado, we're not doing flaps for today's flight. It's not really that point, because we're just going to do some ridiculous stuff. So we'll introduce throttle, and we will get out of here. And rotate. 10 FPM. Just pops up at the landing rate after we rotate. Funny. Right. Let's start that right turn. Woo! G-Joel, ladies and gents. That's the reg of every aircraft I fly, really. Look at that. Just look how beautiful this looks. This RTX graphics card, 630 series, my lord. Intense, I'm telling you. Woohoo! Right, let's get the VFR map up. And let's start our flight on the route. We'll put that right there. Look how smooth this looks.
Continue for west departure. I will contact you next when you leave my airspace.
I'm not interested.
Tower Robin Golf, Juliet Oscar Echo Lima continue for west departure.
And now you can stop talking to me. Right. Holy, this looks insane, my friends. Wowza. This is so cool. No! Oh! We almost died. First stop is the Empire State Building. Just look how intense this looks. Just look at this drawing they've done. My lord. And I think we're not going under 40 FPS in Microsoft Flight Simulator doing this. It's absolutely intense. Whoa.
Robin Oscar Echo Lima, you are leaving my airspace. Frequency change approved.
that should shut them up.
Tower Robin Golf, Juliet Oscar Echo Lima frequency change.
There we are. Get through these buildings? Yes, we can. Woohoo! Through here could be good. Whoa, we're losing control a bit here. Bow up. And there's the Empire State Building, everybody. Looking absolutely incredible. Whee! Stalling. This doesn't feel like right to be having this amount of performance on Microsoft Flight Simulator. Whoa, dude! And this is Ultra. My lord. Whoa! Whoa! We're losing control. Let's boot it through here. Let's go! Woo! Can you imagine this? Might be to the Brooklyn Bridge. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Left turn. There's Brooklyn Bridge, everybody. Right, I'm worried about this invisible wall thing they have in the flight sim. That won't they could let us be able to go under the bridge, which is a shame. So we'll see. There's two bridges here. Let's attempt to go under the first one. Oh, we did it! Oh, lovely. And under this one. Woohoo! 10 FPM again. Oh wow, that was insane. Here's Governor's Island. So smooth, honestly. And there's the Statue of Liberty. Some low pass over the river. Right, now it's time to make our way towards JFK, everybody. You know, it's intense to think that this is a flight simulator that you can get on your home computer. My lord. Just look at this. Let's attempt to do some stunts whilst we make our way back to JFK. Bit of inverted flying, whilst also trying to remain in the right direction. lord. That was so close. Woohoo! There's JFK, off to our left. To be real, it's probably a better idea just to land on, yeah, that runway right there. Let's do that. Left turn and get rid of this map. Fully visual now. Now we'll put out some flaps as we're landing, but we'll still overstress this aircraft. Can't actually, so we'll just slowly get her there now. In fact, let's get rid of the flaps for a minute, speed up, and then we'll do it because I want to finish with some stunts rather than boring flying. All right, let's go some low flying down this road. Watch out for those trees. Watch out, truck! Woohoo! There we are. Flaps full. Come on, we're gonna kill this plane. So all that goes off. Let's try to butter this one out. This is a, you know, amazingly designed airport, but it does impact the frames a little bit, but it's okay, you know. Whoa, that's my fault. Losing control a little bit there. Let's try and butter this one out. Our landing rate should come up. We're going to completely butter this one. It's starting to rain just as we finish our flight. Perfect timing. I don't want to just slam it. We've got a really long runway in such a small plane. No! This plane doesn't want to settle. This plane does not want to settle. Okay, we're gonna have to take that. Sure. Whatever you wish, airplane. Whatever you wish. That was not a butter. Oh, come on. We've got to go through that hangar. I'm sorry. let's test out the performance even more. We gotta go to the hangar. Get rid of the flaps. Oh my lord. Airplane dead. I'm so sorry. There we go. We're in the air. The weather's gone a bit bad now, but this wind is all over the place right now. Whoa, we're gonna die. Woo! I'll tell you what, this plane can land pretty slowly. Let's go find a gate. Look out, I've never actually had time to admire just how good these handcrafted airports look. The planes are going to go down in it. But just look how good these look. Let's try land on this road, this weird road thing here. I wonder if it's possible. Might just go through it, but we'll see. Whoa! We definitely didn't go through it, but that's not really what I thought would happen. Can we get power to get back up? No. Okay. Power. Woo! Dies. Alright, can we get through here? Doubt it. No, no, there's an invisible wall. Of course there is. It's Microsoft Flight Simulator. Right, let's go land here. Finish off the day with a butter. Well, it's pretty hard to butter this plane. We're just going to float the whole runway and see what happens. There you go, that's more like it. Sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you want to see more like funny, fun Microsoft Flight Simulator content like this, please do let me know in the comments where we should go next. Stay safe and I'll see you all soon. Check out the blog, goodbye.